In cosmology, we believe that the universe started off in a big bang 13.7 billion years ago. All alternatives have been pretty much ruled out. Steady-state theories, other alternatives have been ruled out. However, how will the universe end? We have several possibilities. One possibility is a big crunch, when the universe squashes together in a gigantic ball of flame and maybe bangs once again. Another possibility is the big freeze, that the universe expands and just keeps on going, and we're all going to freeze to death, and we're all going to die when the universe reaches near absolute zero. Then there's something called the Big Rip, where the universe goes into an exponential expansion and expands so rapidly that the distant galaxies can no longer be seen because they travel faster than the speed of light. That even the distant galaxies break the light barrier, and that's called the Big Rip, meaning that the night sky will be totally black except for some of the nearby stars. Which of the three alternatives is the fate of the universe? Well, the short answer is we don't know. However, what we do know is that the universe is undergoing an exponential runaway expansion. But here's the catch. We don't know how long that runaway mode is going to last. Some people say that it's temporary. We're in this huge expansion right now, exponential expansion, but it's going to reverse itself. Instead of a red shift, we'll have a blue shift as the universe collapses. At the present time, we simply don't know. All of a sudden, temperatures begin to rise. All of a sudden, the oceans boil. All of a sudden, the mountains will melt. And at that point, all intelligent life in the universe will die. All the tears and all the struggles and all the heartbreak of humanity since we rose from the swamp, it's all for nothing. Why should you bother to wake up tomorrow, knowing that we're all going to die billions and billions of years from now, when the universe turns to absolute zero, when the stars blink out, when we'd have nothing but neutron stars and black holes? What's it all mean anyway?
we think of all of space as being out there, we should think of all of time as being out there too. Everything that has ever happened or will happen, it all exists.
We'd like to corner time as a thing, but it defies that completely by being momentary, by only having definitions that harken back to the notion of time itself.
Time is the thing that everyone knows intimately until you ask them to tell you about it.